welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a collaboration video, and it's a 4th of July collaboration video. But it's not only a collaboration video, it's also kind of like a dedication and a remembrance video to a YouTuber that a lot of people that I've collabed with before have collabed with. If you've been following me for a while, you will know that last 4th of July I did a collaboration for 4th of July where I shared with you guys some desserts. And in that collaboration, the person who hosted that collaboration was Nana from Nana's Design Studios. She was such a bright light and such a wonderful person, and a lot of us did not know that later on that year in October she actually passed away. And it wasn't until recently that I found out that she passed away as well, when one of the people that I kind of that was in the collaboration with me, her channel is Life and 50 and Beyond. She contacted everybody that was in the collaboration last year and asked us if we wanted to do a collaboration again dedicated to Nana from Nana's Design Studios. And I was like, yes, I would love to do that, because that lady was so sweet. She has such a beautiful spirit, and if you've ever watched her videos, she was so creative, but she had like the heart of gold. She was just like the sweetest person, and you could see it through the camera, and she was just so full of life, and it was just so sad to find out that she had passed away. So this collaboration is not only a 4th of July collaboration, but it's a remembrance of her, and just to let her know that we miss her and we appreciate the time that we had with her and the videos that we got to see from her. And if you have never seen her videos, go check her out. It was Nana Design Studios. She made the most wonderful creation, and just hearing her talk in her halls, you just felt good that day. She just lifted you up, and she's such a wonderful soul, and may she rest in peace. And we love you and miss you, and this is for you, Nana. So last year, last year what I shared with you guys was I shared 3 dessert ideas that you guys can do. That was real simple and easy. You can do it with your kids. And in this collaboration, it's not only 4th of July desserts, but it's also 4th of July decorations, crafts, anything that anybody in this collab wanted to do. Is just basically 4th of July. I wanted to do a dessert because I'm all about food on 4th of July, and I wanted to share with you guys simple desserts that anybody can make. So if you haven't seen the one that I shared with you, that I shared last summer, I'll put a card up here as well. I'll put a card up here, and also in the description box below to a link to that video. I share with you guys 3 desserts, and today I'm going to share with you guys another simple dessert. And so the one I'm going to share with you today is called Firecracker cookies, and it's real simple. You can do it with your kids. You don't need to know how to bake, because all I'm going to use today is I'm going to use a store-bought Betty Crocker sugar cake mix. If you saw one of my hauls a while back, you know that I got this one for 12 cents at the commissary when they were marking them down after the holidays. So this is also not only a simple and easy 4th of July recipe that you can make, but it's also a budget saving one. So always look out for these sugar packets, these sugar cookie packets that they kind of mark them down to 12 cents. So all you need is, you can use your own recipe if you want, if you have a sugar cookie recipe that you like, but I'm just going to use a store-bought one. So you're going to need a store-bought or your own sugar cookie recipe. You will also need some sprinkles, because I like to add sprinkles to it, and you're going to need the blue and the red ones to go with the 4th of July, holiday. And then you're going to need, what makes them firecracker cookies, is you're going to need Pop Rocks. And I got these at Dollar Tree. They're 3 to a pack, so I'm hoping that they have the blue one that I want, the blue and the red ones that I need. And yep, sure enough they do. They come with a blue, a green, and a red. So I'm just going to use the red and the blue one in this. And yeah, just stay tuned so I can show you how easy it is to make these firecracker cookies. So what you want to do is you want to add the Pop Rocks to the dry ingredients first. You want to add that first before the wet ingredients, regardless of whatever recipe you are using. Now the next thing that I like to do is I like to add red and blue sprinkles. You don't necessarily have to do this, but this is just something that I like to add a little sweetness to it. Now once you've mixed all the dry ingredients with the Pop Rocks and the sprinkles, now you can add your wet ingredients. For my recipe, that was softened butter and a tablespoon of water. But you follow whatever recipe you're using, if it's a box recipe, a bag recipe, or even if it's a homemade sugar cookie recipe. So after you're done mixing the mixture, now it's time to roll the dough into balls. And I like to use a melon ice cream scooper to do this because it gives you the perfect size every time. Now you can just roll your balls and put them on the cookie sheet and bake them off like that, but I wanted to add an extra step and I wanted to roll the dough kind of in some Pop Rocks and some sprinkles as well to give it a little kind of crunchy top, and then it's like soft in the middle. You can skip this step. If you want to have just soft cookies, I suggest just rolling them into balls and putting them straight on the cookie pan and baking them off. But I wanted to have like a little Pop Rock crunch and sprinkle on top of my cookies, so that's what I chose to do. And the way it cooks is that when you eat it, it's like a crunchy top candy coating, but then you got a soft cookie in the middle. I would say that if you do this step like I did, you need to spray your pan with a lot of spray because you are having the sugar, the sprinkles, which is sugar, and the Pop Rocks on top. And when they bake off and melt, they will stick to the pan if there's not enough grease on them. So if you do this extra step like I did, make sure you grease that pan well. But again, if you just want soft cookies, I would skip this step of dipping them in the sprinkle mixture. And this is how they came out, guys. And no, this is not a Pinterest worthy picture, but these cookies came out so delicious and my girls love them. So that was another simple and easy 4th of July dessert that you can make for your next 4th of July party, or even just make it at home for the kiddos. Your kids will have fun making them and your kids will have fun eating them. Don't forget to check out the playlist that I'll have in my description box below to the other YouTubers that are in this collab, that they're creating different things for 4th of July. So it's not only food, it's also crafts, it's decorations, and maybe some games. I can't wait to see the ideas that they come up with as well. So don't forget to check out that playlist down below. And again, this is a dedication again to Nana Design Studio. If you have not checked out her channel, go check out her channel. Even though she's not with us no more, her videos live on, and it's just you can get great ideas from her, and she's just, like I said, she's an uplifting spirit that makes you feel good to watch her just with her talking. So again, Nana, this is dedicated to you, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you got ideas from me and you get ideas from other people, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.